Good evening! This is Lay and...
Again!
and this is our one moment. Okay, so... galing kami ng SM Caloocan, yung bagong open, SM City North Caloocan. Why so likot? Stay still lang.
Okay.
Okay, sit down lang, ha? Okay. And itong si Bagets, bago kami umuwi, dumaan kami ng 7-Eleven. Gusto rin niya mag 7-Eleven. So, habang nasa 7-Eleven kami, ako gusto ko ng coffee, naghahanap ako ng Bose coffee. Yung naalala niyo ba, yung pinost ko yung pinost ko na picture, hinahanap namin yun sa 7-Eleven. Kaso wala kami nakita. Kaya, bumili na lang ako ng 2 coffee ko. Yan. Tapos, itong si Bagets naman, Arkin says, is gonna buy daw green food. Right?
Yeah.
Why? Because he wants to eat daw all green food, no? All green items, no?
Yeah.
All green food. Oh, you show them what you got.
I got
What's that?
melon drink.
Yeah, Melon, you show them.
Melon drink.
Yeah.
And,
No, you show them. Come on, show them. Show.
and then
No, show them like this. You got what?
I
A
got
melon,
drink.
Oh, show.
And also
green.
green chips and this green bread, baby.
Okay, so
Don't
he
eat
wants to
this,
try. Ano daw?
Start this.
You want to start with the drink? How about we start with the chip?
No.
Okay. Okay, go. Okay, you want to start? Okay, go try. Go try starting your green drink. This is a melon drink. Okay, go.
I sabi ko lang.
Yeah, you shake it first. Don't forget to shake it. Go na, go shake it. No, shake. Shake the.
Yun.
Okay, and then what will do next?
Oy. Oh my God, like
Why?
that.
What happened to
I
this
broke
one?
my Okay.
How is it? Good? Can mommy try some? Is it good? Can you try? It's
Hey,
good.
our
Tastes like
lips.
what does it
Your
taste like?
lips.
Oh, sorry, there's lipstick. Sorry. What does it taste like?
Melon.
Melon. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, then what next?
Ta-da!
What's
There's-
the green bread?
Good.
Yeah.
It looks like matcha.
Looks like matcha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All thing is matcha.
Yeah. Is matcha good? Tastes
Yeah.
good?
No.
Is it good? Is it matcha flavor? I don't think so. That's not matcha. Matcha is a bit bitter. Is it bitter? Are you sure? It's bitter?
No.
Oh, what does it taste like?
Good.
Good. So,
Yeah.
that one is makapuno. You say makapuno.
Batong pula.
Makapuno. What is it? Say makapuno.
Magkapula.
Yeah, makapuno flavor. Good? It's really good.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it. Can I open my coffee now? Okay, so I'll be drinking the coffee. Bawal sa akin to yung ano. Bawal sa akin tong may creamer and sugar. Dapat lang sa akin talaga black. Pero since nag-crave ako, last na talaga, bukas back to black coffee tayo. So, let me open. So, I can eat with the baguettes. Good. Hmm. You ate it all.
Yeah.
Oh man. And what's
Yeah.
next? You show them what's next.
Chips.
The chips. Okay. We bought only small chips because chips are not so good, no?
Yeah, but it's
It's what?
rubber.
Okay. Go. You want me to help you?
Open up.
Want me to help you? Or you can do it by yourself.
I think we should open it here.
No, you just pull the tab.
But it's slippery.
It's slippery because your hands are wet. No, not like that. Can I help you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not a sir. Oh, there you go.
Ooh, Mr. Chipsy. Hi, Mr. Chipsy.
Now try. Let's start. Now you tell me, is it good?
Very good.
Hmm?
Very good.
Di ba you don't talk when your mouth is full? Swallow it first and talk.
I think it's good.
You think it's good, but you're not sure because you said you think. I'll try again, then you tell me. Good? You like it? Okay. He likes it now. It's sour cream and onion. Me, I don't like this flavor. I like original. My favorite Pringles is original. Oh, you gave some to Daddy, huh? Si Bagets, gusto niya ng ano.
Something is
Siya,
missing.
idea niya yan. Siyang may idea niyang kumain ng green food.
Wait lang.
Panood siguro. Where are you going?
Wait lang.
Where? You won't fit. Oh, where? You're going where? Wait lang daw po. Nandun siya sa ref, may tinitingnan. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Aha! I know what you're thinking, ha?
I need
Oh.
salt.
Salt? Ah, no need na. He needs salt daw.
Wait lang.
Oo, but I said no salt na. Because chips are already salty. Oh, come here na. Show them that you're eating or
I have an idea.
what?
I
What's
get
your
salt.
salt? Okay. Or are you done eating na? Do you want to say bye na to everyone? One more? You want to finish this one? Okay, or you move here. Come closer. Me, I'm coffee. Coffee and coffee. How about you, Daddy? Daddy looks tired. It's been a long day for us today. No? It's a long day today, no? Oh, you finished na. He's finished na. Okay na? All done? All done na? Oh, Arkin, what's your favorite food? You tell me. You tell them what's your favorite food.
Grate them. Oh my god.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it's okay. We will just wipe it. Okay, you tell me what's
Hi, Molly.
what's your favorite
What?
food? You tell them what's your favorite food.
Juice.
What?
Juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
No, food not drink. What's your favorite food? Oh, how about the flavor na lang? What's your favorite juice? What flavor?
Melon.
Melon.
But I spilled it.
Yeah, you spilled it. Okay. Are you done na? All done? You wanna say bye to them na? Or-
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say bye, everyone?
Bye.
Thank you for watching our one moment.
And also 100 subscribers.
100 lang.
To 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
How about you tell them, follow us, subscribe, hit the like button, and share our videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay? Oh, what do you say na?
Bye.
Bye! Thank you for watching! Matane! What's thank you in Japan?
Batane.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In Japan.
Batate.
No! What's thank you? Di ba I taught you already what? Oh, you drink first, drink. You swallow first. You chew and swallow. Go. Don't talk when your mouth is full, right? Oh, eat properly. Oh, matane is see you. Matane. And what is thank you? Arigato.
Arigato.
Swallow first. Swallow first. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. Just learn from it, okay?
Okay.
What will you say nga in thank you in Japan?
Batane.
Matane is see you. How about thank you?
Arigato gozaimasu.
Good job. Boy. Say nicely. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Okay.
The flats.
Sayonara. Matane.
Ah,
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
bye-bye.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.